Alright guys, so we're gonna create a PlayStation account. For that, you're gonna have to go into this right here. Hold on, let me just copy and paste it and zoom in. So it's PlayStation.com, PS5, setup on web. Once you go into the website, you're gonna see this. This is Sony's official website. Just click on create account. So it's gonna be right here. And then it's gonna take you to this page. Just click on create account. You can select whichever region makes sense to you. So again, depends if you guys in the US or anywhere else, just select whatever makes sense to you guys. Then on the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see next, just click there. From here, you just put in your birthday. Then on the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see next, just go into next. Now you're gonna have to put in your email. So it can be anything, whether you guys have Gmail or any other one, you can go ahead and put it in here. So that's my email. I suggest creating a password that's really strong or semi-strong. This is not the best password, but that's my password right now. Just make sure they match up and then go right into next. Then you just have to fill up your city, state or province, and then postal code, then go into next. So again, just put in all your information, just go into next, and your online ID. So here are suggestions. You don't have to pick any one of these. You can make your own, and hopefully it's available. So we're just gonna make an ID right now. We're gonna call it tech and design, and put in my first name and last name. So it's tech. Going to next. I would just leave everything on right now, and just going to agree and create account on the bottom right hand side. And your account is officially created. So just going to continue, and you can go ahead and just update everything. So just go right into next. Then you're gonna see all this stuff, just confirm. Well, unless you guys don't want this, you can take off those check marks, but I'm just gonna leave it on, confirm, and we are done. So you can go into sign out. And at this point, you can go ahead and sign into your account because you already created an account. So just put in your email, go right into next. We're gonna put in our awesome password, click on sign in, and then you're gonna see this. You have to verify your email. This is very important. So right now, do not click on resend email unless you didn't get it. So that's down here below. If you didn't get it, go ahead and do that. But right now, don't do it. And you can go ahead and go into your email. You should be getting something like this. So it should say account registration confirmed. Okay, you can verify now. But you're also going to see this other email. Verify that it's you. Same thing. We're going to click on the second one actually. Just click on verify. They're both from PlayStation. And right now it says my email's been verified. Click OK. And we are officially all done. We can just click on sign in on the top right hand corner of our screen. We're going to see sign in. And we're done. We're already signed in. I know it's kind of silly you have to put in sign in so many times. But on the top right hand corner, I do have to mention this. See this? This is you. So if you click on it, you're going to see this. Account settings, payment, everything right here. Subscription management, everything to do with your accounts right here. You can go into account settings just to make sure you're all okay. But as far as creating an account for PlayStation, you're all done. So go ahead and enjoy your PlayStation account. You can use this for any PlayStation for that matter. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.